Chapter 5 Quadratic Equation in One Variable. Exercise 5.1. Question number first. In each of the following, determine whether the given numbers are roots of the given equations or not. Given x raised to power 2 minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. First we put x is equal to 2. Let x is equal to 2 and we are putting x equal to 2 in given quadratic equation, that is 2 raised to power 2 minus 5 into 2 plus 6 equal to 0. 2 raised to power 2, that is equal to 4, minus 5 2s are 10 plus 6 is equal to 0. 6 plus 4, that is 10, minus 10 equal to 0. Yes, x is equal to 2 is a roots of the given quadratic equation. And let x is equal to minus 3 put in the given quadratic equation, that is minus 3 raised to power 2 minus 5 into minus 3 plus 6 equal to 0. Minus 3 raised to power 2 minus 3 into minus 3, that is equal to positive 9. Minus into minus, that is plus. 5 3s are 15. Positive 15 minus minus is plus. 5 3s are 15 plus 6 is equal to 0. But 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. 15 plus 15, that is 30. This is not equal to 0. 30 is not equal to 0. It's not a roots of the given quadratic equation. So x is equal to 2 is a root of given quadratic equation and x is equal to 3 is not a root of the quadratic equation. Answer. We have given quadratic equation x raised to power 2 minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 and let x is equal to 2. Let us assume x, let given x is equal to 2, we are putting the value of x in here. Given quadratic equation 2 raised to power 2 minus 5 into 2 plus 6, 2 2s are 4, minus 5 2s are 10, minus 10 plus 6, 6 plus 4 is 10 and 10 minus 10 equal to 0. Yes, x is equal to 2 is a root of the given quadratic equation. And let x equal to minus 3, we are putting minus 3 in given quadratic equation, that is x square minus 5x plus 6 minus 3 raised to power 2 minus 5 into minus 3 plus 6 equal to 0. Minus square, that will be positive. 3 square is equal to 9 and minus into minus, that is positive. 5 3s are 15 plus 6, and their sum is 30, but it's not a 30 is not, which is not equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 is a root of the given quadratic equation, but x is equal to 3 is not a root of the given quadratic equation. Hence proved. Question number first, second part. Given 3x raised to power 2 minus 13x minus 10 is equal to 0, and let x is equal to 5. We are putting the value of x in here in this quadratic equation, that is 3 into x 5 raised to power 2 minus 13 into 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. But 5 raised to power 2 is 25. 25 into 3 into 25, that is equal to 75, and 13 5s are 65 minus 10 is equal to 0. 25 3s are 75. 75 minus 65 minus 10, that is also 75 equal to 0. But 75 minus 75, that is 0. 0 equal to 0. Yes, x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 is a root of given quadratic equation. And let x is equal to minus 2 upon 3. And we are putting x equal to minus 2 upon 3 in given quadratic equation, that is 3 into minus 2 upon 3 raised to power 2 minus 13 into minus 2 upon 3 minus 10 equal to 0. We are putting x equal to minus 2 upon 3 in given quadratic equation and solving. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, that is equal to 3 into 4 upon 9. Minus square, that will be positive, and minus that will be plus 13 into 2 upon 3 minus 10 equal to 0, and 3 3s are 9, that is 4 upon 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 4 into 1, that is equal to 4 and divided by 3, 13 2s are 26 divided by 3 minus 10 is equal to 0. And LCM is 3. 26 plus 4 is equal to 30, and 4 plus 26 upon 3 minus 10 is equal to 0. We are solving first two, positive positive. 26 plus 4, LCM is 3, and 3 is taking one time. 26 plus 4, that is equal to 30, and 30 divides 3 minus 10, which is divisible by 3 10s are 30 equal to 0. So 10 minus 10 equal to 0. Yes. So x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 2 upon 3 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Answer. Given quadratic equation is 3x square minus 13x minus 10 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 5. We are taking first x is equal to 5 and putting the given quadratic equation, that is 3 into x is 5, 5 raised to power 2 minus 13 into 5 minus 10 equal to 0. 5 square, that is 25, 25 multiplied by 3, that will be 75, and 13 5s are 65, minus 65 minus 10 is equal to 0, and this will be 75, and 65 minus 65 minus 10, that is minus 75, and positive 75 minus negative 75, that will be 0. Yes, we can say that 5 is a root of given quadratic equation. And we are checking x is equal to minus 2 upon 3 is also a root of the given quadratic equation. Putting x is equal to minus 2 upon 3 in given, 3x square minus 13x minus 10. 3 into minus 2 upon 3 raised to power 2 minus 13 into x is minus 2 upon 3 minus 10 is equal to 0. Minus 2 upon 3 square, that will be positive, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, plus minus minus, that will be positive, 13 into 2 upon 3 minus 10 equal to 0. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 4 1s are 4 upon 3 plus 13 2s are 26 upon 3 minus 10 equal to 0. And we are solving first two positive number, that is 4 upon 3 and 26 upon 3. LCM will be 3, and 26 plus 4, that is 30, and 30 divides 3, 10. 10 3s are 30, minus 10 as it is, but 10 minus 10 equal to 0. So we can say x is equal to minus 2 upon 3 is also a root of given quadratic equation. So x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 2 upon 3 are the roots of given quadratic equation, hence proved.